Well, here we are. You sitting on top of the world. But it is cloudy. Mount Halifax. Yeah. The rain, unfortunately, so we're going to boost it out of here and maybe head back to Echo Rock for. So we've got some concerns, a bit of a situation. Might be raining at the camp and we haven't really set up for rain.
I will have no dry clothes.
Yeah, keep watching to find out. You. Hike update. It's piercing rain. We are so wet. It's actually gotten heavier.
Like, look how wet my hair is.
It is so wet and slippery. And we've made it to camp too, so we're getting there now. Some steep bits to go, but we're just taking our time. This is a fairly serious bit here with the rope, but yeah.
Roughly 500 metres and then we'll be back
At our see the carnage. This is pretty bloody hardcore in the wet. It's not easy in the dry, but it is still pouring. You're doing a great job.
I'm just so slow.
Back to the rock garden in the rainforest. Right, we've just got back to camp and it's pretty wet. Pretty bloody wet.
Your bag looks alright though.
That's good.
That is good. Just
Yeah. There's a bit of a
that's a situ.
bit of a situ here. Bit of rainage.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna have to set up some ponchos, get into some warm clothes and chill out. Sound good? Just to give you a bit of an idea how much rain we had. Look at all the water in that chair. No, not the chairs. Alright, hey, we're back at camp. Obviously we got back to a pretty wet camp. We set up this cool little shelter with our ponchos. Got a clothesline going. You see the sleeping bag just behind Rhonda there. We had a lot of water in the tent. So
we should have filmed it.
We should have filmed it. There was a lot of water. It was a big puddle.
Luckily though, the tent is on a nice angle.
Yeah.
So it was all in one end and only one sleeping bag, and the mattresses are fine.
We're all good. But yeah, so we're just tucking into a hot coffee, trying to warm up. We got some dry clothes on. We had to do some manoeuvres with the clothes because
I left mine on the line.
Rhonda has
so
all
I
wet
have
clothes.
no dry clothes.
Zero dry clothes.
Well, actually, sorry, that's a lie. My pink jumper.
Oh yeah.
And my beanie.
And a beanie, luckily. So she did pretty good, and I have my pants that are on Rhonda. And also I have my Zach's Living shirt, and I got a t-shirt and no shorts.
No pants Saturday.
Yeah. So what did you think of the hike?
It was good. It was hard.
Yeah. It's definitely hard.
It would have been so good if we had the view at the top. Like, it was amazing sitting up there. Scary, but amazing. Like, I can just, if we could see, like, it would have been even more amazing. But it was still cool being up there.
Yeah.
And literally cold being up there.
It was really cold. That rain come in pretty much as soon as we finished that wrap, and then just did not stop the whole way down.
Yeah.
So it was a good 2 hours down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It took us just as long to get down as it did to get up, and it should have been faster, but it was so slippery.
So slippery, yeah. So it'd take our time. Yeah. But no, it was pretty cool. Yeah, definitely the view. I mean, we're pretty lucky at Echo Hill. There was a view, so we did get to see a bit
on
of
the way up,
view up, but you couldn't see a thing on the way down. It was just rain, hardcore. So it's actually stopped now, thankfully, because we can take a breather.
Yeah, hopefully we can get our clothes a little bit dry so we're not too heavy tomorrow when we pack out.
Yeah.
That's always the drama with wet stuff. Getting some water for our morning coffee. This is the best way to do it. Is he here? Oh, there he is. Fresh out of the waterfall.
Yeah.
Phew!
Random arrow in a tree up here. Right beside the waterfall. There's camp's all packed up. About to hit the trail. Headed home.
You like my dress?
This is a big shirt, that one.
My clothes did not dry. Well, my tights did.
Yeah, tights did.
My socks didn't. It's a good look that I've got running today.
It is actually, yeah. It's a bit overcast up on the hill today, but
Funny you say that, the sun just kind of peeked out.
yeah, the sun's been on and off, but yeah, so was our little camp area. Bloody beautiful little spot. Right on the edge of a very steep ass hill. Up and down we're gonna
And
go.
it's only like, what, 200 metres to the water?
Yeah, if that I reckon 100.
Yeah,
100
so it's
metres.
pretty close, very convenient if you need to restock.
Maybe
Not
even
too much
80.
effort.
80 metres maybe. 83.
70.
70 even. But yes, it is a good little watering point, that one, definitely. It's really nice down there, as you would have seen. So, all right, we're going to push out, maybe about 2.5 hours, 3 hours out. We can take our time, have a good look around, and yeah, we'll give you some little snapshots on the way. You! Out of the camp, straight into a rope climb.
Reverse rope climb?
Yeah, reverse rope climb. It's reasonably steep, but it gets a lot steeper a little bit further down. Last glimpse of the view out there to the beach and the ocean.
Can you see it today?
Yeah. It's like cloudy, but you can see it. And this is where we start to get right into it. As you can see, a fairly decent drop off. About to happen. Down you go.
Downwards and downwards.
Beach out there in the ocean. And down. Down, down, down. Down we go on the ropes.
Nearly there.
Nearly there. You're going to have to go over that, I think, when you get flat bit there. Oh, that's danger.
Have I cleared it?
Nah.
Is it caught on me?
Just walk forward. Yeah, 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 it's got you. Okay, you got it.
This is longer than I remember.
It was a long bloody slog.
No wonder we were so buggered at the top of this.
Yeah. It's hectic. It's hard to film while you're going down with one arm on the rope. Brr.
It's a bit rocky here.
Just dropping back down into Rocky Creek now. Now way back down. Start to see some water again soon. Bloody beautiful. We're just coming down through flat rock now. Nice little water hole, watering spot. Sorry about the bush. Yeah, lovely little stream. It's quite amazing because that was the creek that we were just in, but it was all underground. And it flows out into this. Pretty cool. Flat rock. Starting to get back down. There's some nice little pools of water. There's a bit of flow in them. Good enough for a swim, that one. Very nice, very nice.
goes up more.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Boys and girls.
Boys and girls, cats and dogs. We are at Loop Falls turnoff, heading back from Camp 1, and it is...
2 hours, far out, it's not 2 hours. It's 2.46 kilometres, according to the Garmin.
2.46 kilometres, I don't think that's right.
What does your Strava say?
Like a kilometre. It's got to be more than that.
An hour 20 moving time. No, that's it, all time.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay, so yeah, 4 kilometres. Did you say that?
No, I said 2.4.
Oh yeah, we're in all sorts.
We don't know. Everything says different things.
Well, I did take some screenshots, so between the two of us we'll figure it out and give you some information.
We'll put it here while we're rambling,
yeah,
and we'll put the facts at the bottom.
Put all the facts, and that's a fact.
Because I'll do it. Oh.
Hey.
Hello.
Alrighty, we made our way pretty much back down to just above Rope Falls. So most of that hardcore descent is done. Done.
Yo,
How you feeling?
Days. Yeah, good.
Feeling good.
Yeah, knees are sore, of course.
Knees are sore.
Standard.
Bit sweaty, very smelly, but good.
But feel good, yeah.
Feel good. Dun-na-na-na-na-na.
Knew that I'm good.
Dun-na-na-na-na-na.
So good.
So good.
Dun, dun. You did it wrong and you threw me off. I got you.
You.
Ba, ba, ba.
Let's roll. Really cool rock formations down along this riverbed or creek bed. Descends fairly quickly, as you can see. And we're gonna go this way. We've made it to the top of Rope Falls.
So that's a kilometre from Loop turn-off to here
A kilometre
on the Garmin.
from Loop to here on the Garmin. There you go.
3.43 from our camp to here.
3.43 from Camp 1 to the top of Rope Falls. Bloody awesome. We're getting it done now.
Yeah, we're out of the hard stuff, aren't we?
Yeah. One more little rope climb. Pretty cool place, this one. Pretty epic. Last rope for the trip. Not a bad spot for a rock climb, good work. You did it! Woo! There we go, this place. No pressure. Okay, we made it back to the sign. You! How you feel?
Really good, actually.
Oh, there you are.
I'm so skinny you couldn't see me.
Yeah, we're feeling pretty good. But I tell you, let's take this sign seriously. If you're not prepared up there, you could run into some real trouble.
Much faster on the way down.
Yep.
It's only 2.5 hours. I think it was 3 hours to get to that camp that first day.
Yep.
So so about half an hour quicker.
Half an hour
It
quicker.
only says 5Ks on my watch though, so
Interesting.
it told us 6Ks on the way up. Anyway, that's 5Ks there.
Toodaloo.
Anyway.
We're nearly back to the car.
Oh, maybe because I did it from the car, it's a little bit further.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. Gotta sign the book, don't forget.
Sign the book. Alright, we'll see you at the car. We've made it back.
That's where the 6 kilometres comes in.
Yep. You gotta sign the book. Here's a high five, baby, for an awesome effort. Yeah. You.
Here we are.
Yeah. What time is it?
Living adventures.
1:40.
1:40 p.m. on the 4th.
4th to the 6th. Bloody awesome effort. We did it. You feeling good?
Feeling good.